The Department of Defense is now considering its boldest move yet, either taking full control of the Starship program or making a massive investment that could change the game entirely. This isn't just about launching satellites anymore. It's about reshaping global military logistics as we know it. Picture this: heavy military equipment delivered anywhere on Earth in under an hour. Entire satellite constellations deployed at a moment's notice. The capabilities are mind-boggling, and the military knows it. They've already invested $12 million just to study how Starship could transform their operations. But here's where it gets interesting. This partnership could be heading for its first major obstacle. Elon Musk has always seen Starship as humanity's ticket to Mars and beyond. The military's interest might force him to choose between his interplanetary dreams and national security priorities. Welcome to Elon Musk 24 Hours, where we bring you the latest developments in space technology and exploration. Let's dive right in. The transformation of SpaceX from a commercial space company to a crucial military asset didn't happen overnight. In 2022, the Department of Defense invested $24 billion in space programs, with SpaceX securing 70% of military launches. By 2023, that share jumped to 80%, backed by a $26 billion budget. Now in 2024, with a $30 billion space defense budget, SpaceX commands 90% of all military space missions, a dominance unprecedented in aerospace history. But what makes Starship so irresistible to military planners? The answer lies in its revolutionary capabilities. While commercial rockets typically take days or weeks to prepare for launch, Starship is designed for rapid turnaround, potentially launching multiple times per day. This quick launch capability could prove decisive in crisis situations, allowing the military to replace damaged satellites or deploy new ones within hours instead of months. The numbers behind Starship's development are staggering. SpaceX has already invested over $3 billion in the program, with total costs expected to exceed $10 billion. Despite these enormous figures, the military sees potential value that far outweighs the costs. Internal Department of Defense assessments suggest that Starship could reduce military logistics costs by up to 60% while cutting deployment times by 80%. The recently awarded $12 million contract for studying Starship's military applications reveals some fascinating possibilities. Sources within the Pentagon have disclosed plans to test Starship for rapid deployment of humanitarian aid during natural disasters, a capability that could save countless lives. The military is particularly interested in Starship's ability to deliver up to 100 metric tons of emergency supplies anywhere on Earth within 60 minutes. But what truly sets Starship apart is its potential for military logistics. Current military transport planes like the C-17 Globemaster III take 12 to 15 hours to fly from the United States to potential hotspots in Asia. Starship could make the same journey in under an hour, carrying 3 times the payload. This capability becomes even more crucial when considering the Department of Defense's recent shift toward rapid response strategies. The integration of Starship into military operations could revolutionize satellite deployment. Traditional methods require months of planning and multiple launches to establish satellite networks. Starship's massive payload bay could deploy entire constellations in a single mission. Military strategists estimate this could reduce the vulnerability of space-based assets by allowing rapid replacement of compromised satellites. However, the potential military takeover of Starship presents significant challenges. Elon Musk's vision for Starship has always been broader than Earthbound operations. The rocket was designed with Mars colonization in mind, featuring systems specifically engineered for long-duration spaceflight and planetary landing. Military control could redirect these resources away from space exploration. Recent developments at SpaceX's Starbase facility in Texas hint at the company's commitment to both military and civilian applications. The successful catching of the Super Heavy booster during Flight 5 marked a historic achievement in rocket reusability. This breakthrough could significantly reduce launch costs for both military and civilian missions, making space more accessible for all purposes. SpaceX's engineering team has been working around the clock to enhance Starship's capabilities. The Raptor engines, key to Starship's performance, have undergone significant improvements. The latest versions deliver 15% more thrust while consuming 12% less fuel. Innovations that directly benefit both military logistics and Mars mission planning. The Pentagon's interest in Starship has also sparked a new wave of aerospace innovation. Traditional defense contractors are rushing to develop competing systems, leading to breakthrough advancements in propulsion technology and material science. This competition has already resulted in 3 new patents for heat shield materials that could revolutionize hypersonic flight. Looking at specific military applications, Starship could transform special operations capabilities. Its ability to deploy anywhere on Earth within an hour could allow rapid response to emerging threats. The rocket's massive payload capacity could support the simultaneous deployment of personnel, vehicles, and supplies, a capability that currently requires multiple aircraft and days of coordination. The potential military control of Starship also raises important questions about the future of space exploration. While military funding could accelerate Starship's development, it might also restrict civilian access to the technology. SpaceX's current $12 million contract includes provisions for continued civilian use, but a full military takeover could change this dynamic. The impact on SpaceX's commercial operations could be significant. The company currently maintains a healthy balance between government and commercial launches. A military takeover of Starship might affect this equilibrium, potentially impacting SpaceX's ability to serve commercial clients and pursue its Mars colonization goals. Behind the scenes, SpaceX engineers are already implementing modifications to meet military requirements. These include enhanced communication systems, hardened electronics to resist electromagnetic interference, and improved security protocols. These upgrades have already proven beneficial for civilian launches, demonstrating how military investment can drive broader technological advancement. As Flight 6 approaches, the stakes couldn't be higher. Success could cement SpaceX's position as the military's primary space partner, while failure might force the Department of Defense to reconsider its investment strategy. The upcoming launch will test not just Starship's technical capabilities, but also the viability of this unprecedented partnership between a private space company and the military. As SpaceX prepares for Flight 6, we're witnessing a historic transformation in military-private space cooperation. With $30 billion in defense space funding and control of 90% of military launches, SpaceX has become more than just a commercial space company. It's now a cornerstone of American space defense strategy. The potential military acquisition of Starship could mark the beginning of a new era in global military logistics and space defense. But it also represents a critical decision point for Elon Musk, balancing his Mars colonization dreams with national security priorities. The success of Flight 6 could be the turning point that determines which path Starship will take. The next few months will be crucial as the Department of Defense evaluates its options for deeper integration with SpaceX. One thing is certain, the future of space exploration and military operations are becoming increasingly intertwined. Stay updated with the latest developments in this groundbreaking partnership by subscribing to Elon Musk 24 Hours. Hit the like button if you found this analysis valuable, and share it with anyone interested in the future of space technology and defense. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on whether the military should take control of Starship. We'd love to hear your perspective. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming coverage of Flight 6 and its implications for the future of space exploration. This is Elon Musk 24 Hours, bringing you tomorrow's space news today.